Welcome to another episode on our channel. I brought back Yennefer, a figure I customized from the last episode. And if you remember, I used Angelica from the Pirates of the Caribbean for the head sculpt, the body, the pants, the boots, the shirt, although the shirt was white originally, and then some other articles. You can go back and review that other episode to see exactly what I used to make her. But I wanted to show her next to Geralt of Rivia from The Witcher. He looks awesome. He's from Buzz Toys, and he doesn't have everything that he comes with. He doesn't have that pack that he puts on his back where he puts his two swords. He doesn't really have a sheath, so it's a pack that he uses for his swords. And he does have another sword, so you don't see that on him right now. This is the one I like the most, so I have him holding this one. I do have this beast claw. I think it's rather awesome. It kind of sets the stage in terms of what he's up against in terms of creatures and so forth. I put him next to White Wolf because he's known as the White Wolf. So I think they actually look great together. I think we'll pause now and put them on a tray so you can see them from profiles, different profiles, and then try to get some tighter shots of them together. We are back, and I put all three of them on here, but I will take the wolf off so you can see some profile shots with both of them. Yeah, I think this came out really nicely. There we go. I think we'll get some tighter shots, but we won't go for their faces this time around. You've seen their faces before, so yeah, just tighter shots from here on up. Here's a much tighter shot, so we'll do some profile shots this way. And over on the other side. That's a good place to stop right there. Here's one last look at our figures. I hope you've liked what you've seen. If you have, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. In the meantime, everyone, please have a great day.